So if we're trying to add fractions with the denominators that are the same, we can use the same strategy as we did in the previous video. We can add the fractions when the denominators are the same just by add the whole parts, see what happens. We get 7 plus 8 makes 15. And then add the fractions off to the side. 2 over 3 plus 1/2. We need common denominators. So we'll multiply the top and the bottom of the first fraction by 2. And we'll multiply the top and the bottom of the second fraction by 3. And then if you add those together, that makes 7 over 6. So it means we got a whole 6 in there. There's a whole 6 that fits in, and then when you take out that 6 is a remainder of 1. So our final answer is going to be 16 and 1/6. You add the whole parts, you get 15. But when you add the fractions, we get another whole number out of there. So it makes 16 and 1/6 there. Watch out for this one, okay? If you know the answer is going to be negative using subtraction, then you've got to stop and think for a bit, okay? 2 and 7/8 subtracted by 4 and 1/3, it's going to be negative. So the way that's probably easiest to do this is to convert this to an improper fraction. And the way you do that is you multiply 2 times 8, that makes 16. And then 16 plus 7 makes 23. And then do the same thing over here. 4 times 3 makes 12. 12 plus 1 makes 13. Oops, that's over 3. And now let's get common denominators. We've got to multiply the top and the bottom by 3 over in the left fraction. And the top and the bottom over here, we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by 8. Gives us 24 in the bottom, and then 13. Oops. 13 times 8 gives us 104. And now we can subtract the tops. 69 subtracted by 104, we get negative 35 over 24. Or to make our lives a little simpler, to convert it back to a mixed number, take 35. If you divide by 24, it fits in one whole time. And then to find out what's left over, 35 minus 24 gives us 11 out of 24. So this is our final answer. Would have got something different if we did 2 minus 4 makes negative 2. And then 7/8 minus 1/3, that would go in the wrong direction. So it's tricky with negatives. If you know it's going to be negative, convert it to its improper fraction form and then do the subtraction.